In the manufacturing industry, a control system is a service that is performed to ensure that the production process is running smoothly and efficiently. A control system is a set of devices and software that are used to monitor and control the various aspects of the manufacturing process, such as temperature, pressure, flow rate, and other variables. The goal of a control system is to maintain the desired level of quality and consistency in the products being produced, while also minimizing waste and reducing costs. A control system typically consists of sensors, controllers, and actuators that work together to monitor and adjust the manufacturing process. The sensors detect changes in the process variables, such as temperature or pressure, and send this information to the controllers. The controllers then use this information to make adjustments to the process, such as adjusting the flow rate of a liquid or changing the temperature of a heating element. The actuators are the devices that actually make the changes to the process, such as opening or closing a valve or turning on a heating element. A well-designed control system can help to improve the efficiency and productivity of a manufacturing process, while also reducing the risk of errors and defects. By monitoring and controlling the process variables, a control system can ensure that the products being produced meet the desired specifications and quality standards. This can help to reduce waste and rework, which can save time and money in the long run. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom packaging solutions for a variety of industries. As a company that is committed to quality and efficiency, Berkness Company understands the importance of having a well-designed control system in place. By using advanced sensors, controllers, and actuators, Berkness Company is able to monitor and control every aspect of the manufacturing process, from the temperature and humidity of the production environment to the speed and accuracy of the packaging machinery. If you are interested in learning more about how Berkness Company uses control systems to improve the efficiency and quality of their manufacturing process, you can visit the Contact Us page on their website. Here, you can find contact information for their team of experts, who can answer any questions you may have about their services and capabilities. Whether you are looking for custom packaging solutions or simply want to learn more about the latest advances in manufacturing technology, Berkness Company is here to help. FAQs. 1. What is a control system in manufacturing? A control system in manufacturing refers to a set of devices, software, and processes that are used to regulate and manage the production process. It involves monitoring and controlling various parameters such as temperature, pressure, flow rate, and other variables to ensure that the manufacturing process runs smoothly and efficiently. 2. What are the benefits of using a control system in manufacturing? The benefits of using a control system in manufacturing include improved product quality, increased productivity, reduced waste, and enhanced safety. By automating and optimizing the production process, a control system can help manufacturers achieve greater consistency and accuracy in their output, while also reducing the risk of errors and accidents. 3. What are the different types of control systems used in manufacturing? There are several types of control systems used in manufacturing, including open-loop, closed-loop, and feedback control systems. Open-loop control systems are simple and operate without feedback, while closed-loop control systems use feedback to adjust the process in real time. Feedback control systems are the most advanced and use sensors and other devices to monitor the process and make adjustments automatically. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.